In addition to other cell organelles, there are some bubble like structures inside a cell. What are these bubble like structures? These are the vacuoles. Obviously, your state also needs water. So, in any city there are sources of water, even for the sake of aesthetics, there is a lake. So, these are the vacuoles which are present. Now, here also there is a difference in plant and animal cell. In animal cells, there are fewer vacuoles and that too small in size. But in the case of plants, the vacuoles are large. So much so that in some plants like say Spirogyra, about 90 even up to 90% is occupied by a vacuole. See like this. This is a vacuole in Spirogyra. Now, what do these vacuoles do? They are the storehouses of water, but not only water, some very important organic compounds as well, like amino acids, other organic acids, sugars and proteins. They also provide turgidity to the cell. The cell would be very flaccid, soft if there was no vacuole. So, vacuole kind of provides turgidity and rigidity. In some cases, in the case of plants, vacuoles also act as excretory parts, because it is in the vacuoles that the waste products are stored. So, the vacuoles are filled with a watery content called cell sap, because of which it provides rigidity and turgidity to the cell. Provides rigidity and turgidity. Not only this, it also stores water, amino acids, proteins, organic acids and sugars. So, this is about the vacuoles, and of course, vacuoles are large in plants and small in animals. Now, just to wrap up, by now you can easily differentiate between a plant cell and an animal cell. We will hurriedly make a table: plants, animal. In the case of plants, cell wall present, in animals absent. Golgi bodies, dictyosomes, but here in animals Golgi bodies. Plastids present, absent. Centrosome absent in plant cells, present. Large vacuole, small and few vacuoles. And rest of the things like cell membrane, lysosomes, mitochondria, they are present in both.